Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Techniques, an institute elective course, and course code is CH001. In the last session, we have talked about gas absorber. Gas absorbers are used extensively in industries for separation and purification of gas streams, as a product recovery devices and as a pollution control devices. Absorption is a process where one or more soluble components of gas mixture are dissolved in a liquid or solvent. The absorption process can be categorized as physical or chemical. Physical absorption occurs when the absorbed compound dissolves in the solvent. Chemical absorption occurs when the absorbed compound and the solvent reacts. The liquids commonly used as a solvent includes water, mineral oil, non-volatile hydrocarbon oils and aqueous solution. Removal efficiency of gas absorber varies for each pollutant solvent system and with the type of absorber used. Most absorbers have removal efficiencies in excess of 90% and pack tower absorber may achieve efficiency as high as 99.9% for some pollutant solvent system. We have discussed construction and working of gas absorber. We have also discussed its advantages, limitations and their industrial applications. In today's session, we are going to talk about adsorption. The objective of today's session is to demonstrate an understanding of the basic principle, construction and working of adsorbers used to control gaseous emissions generated by stationary sources of air pollution by successfully completing the review questions at the end of the topic. The objective of today's session is, at the end of this session you will able to describe the basic principles, construction and working mechanism of adsorption unit used to control gaseous pollutant generated by stationary sources. You will able to recognize the structure and various parts of adsorbers and describe their operation, how they collect your gaseous pollutant. You will able to list the types of equipment used as adsorber. You will able to analyze the different adsorbent used for different type of pollutant. You will able to describe the factors that affect this collection efficiency. You will able to understand advantages, limitations and industrial applications of adsorption. With this, I welcome you all for the next session. Thank you.